Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage your account effectively, follow these step-by-step instructions to use carrier apps for monitoring and payments. Step 1. Download your carrier's official app from the App Store or Google Play. Verify you're installing the legitimate app by checking the developer name and reviews. Step 2. Log in with your account credentials including phone number, account number, or email. Create an account if you don't have online access set up yet. Step 3. Navigate to the usage dashboard showing your current billing cycle data, minutes, and text. Review remaining allowances or unlimited plan usage toward deprioritization thresholds. Step 4. Set up usage alerts at thresholds you specify. Configure notifications when reaching 50%, 75%, and 90% of limits to avoid overages or deprioritization. Step 5. Enable one-time or recurring payments through the app. Link credit cards, debit cards, or bank accounts for convenient bill payment. Step 6. View current and past bills in detail through the app. Download PDF copies for your records and review itemized charges to catch errors. Step 7. Manage account features including adding lines, changing plans, or updating personal information. Most account modifications can be completed through the app without calling. Step 8. Access customer support through in-app chat or calling features. Carrier apps often provide faster access to support than calling general customer service numbers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.